Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through, we're going to examine Linky AI app. We're going to look at it, what is the Linky AI app and how can you download it on your PC. Let's get started. Linky or Linking Chat with Characters AI app is a social game developed by Skywork ALPTE Limited. BlueStacks App Player is the best platform to play this Android game on your PC or Mac for an immersive Android experience. So what it is, download Linky on PC with BlueStacks and immerse yourself in a world where digital personas come to life through dynamic conversations and interactions with various AI characters, including anime characters, like this one. Moving on. Explore the limited possibility of digital conversations with Linky. It's an innovative platform that brings AI chat roleplay to life. It brings AI chat roleplay to life. So you can connect with a diverse range of AI characters, each with a unique personality waiting to engage in conversations about anything under the sun. Dive into immersive scenarios and let your imagination run wild as you interact with characters that reflect your desires and creativity. You get to experience the thrill of collecting and drawing unique cards featuring the characters you chat with, each card holding a hidden surprise that adds excitement and unpredictability to your journey. You get to navigate social interactions, build meaningful relationships, and capture your unique traits and experiences in the digital world with Linky. So download Linky Chat with Characters AI on your PC with BlueStacks and embark on digital adventure that reshapes the future of social connections. Now, how can you download and run Linky Chat with Characters AI on your PC or Mac? Step 1. Download and install this BlueStack on your PC or Mac. Secondly, complete Google sign-in to access the Play Store. You can do that later. 3. Look for Linky Chat with Characters AI. Type in Linky Chat with Characters AI in the search bar at the top right corner. Next, click to install Linky Chat with Characters AI from the search result. So click to install Linky Chat with Characters AI from the search result. Next, you have to complete Google sign-in if you skip step 2 to install Linky Chat with Characters AI. Next, click the Linky Chat with Characters AI icon on the home screen to start playing. So, if you're tired of squinting at your phone's small screen while playing your favorite Android game, you can simply enjoy your mobile games on a larger screen without having to buy a separate device by using the BlueStacks. Don't forget that BlueStacks is a free Android emulator software that allows you to run Android applications on your computer or laptop. It has high definition resolutions and smoother frame rates that helps you to enjoy an enhanced mobile experience on a larger screen. So that's it. That is how to download and install Linky app on your PC or Mac. Hope you find it helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.